Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your first in-depth love read now. Let's see what's going on with you, Taurus, what's going on with your partner, and where your energies are aligning. And these are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you out there, so keep that in mind when you hear these readings, okay? Don't try and make them fit to your life if it doesn't. Just take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Taurus, we're going to start with our angel blessing card to see what blessing comes forward for my Taurus. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message from my angels for you. My angels, what do you have for my Taurus now? This one. All right. Let's put the rest back, Taurus. And the card I have for you here, Taurus, is healthful. So this could be emotional health right now since this is a love reading, and I don't know why this card is here, the healthful card. I think it's time for a healthy relationship maybe, or maybe it's time to heal your emotions here. Let's open our cards and figure it out, okay? So, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the wonderful comments, wonderful donations that you sent to the channel, the likes. Thank you for keeping me motivated through last year. You guys have been great, and as much as you feel the readings help you, believe it or not, just being interacting with all of you has also healed me a lot. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in Taurus. So, newbies, here I am setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. All right. So, part of my deck, I have the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus. New beginnings. No wonder the healthful card was here. Maybe now it's time to get into a healthy relationship. New beginnings. Okay, so the cards I have here for you, Taurus, is the Four of Wands upright, Six of Cups in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, the Tower, the Moon, and the Lovers. Okay, let's see for person B. The Sun, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Two of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Judgment card. The reading is absolutely clear here today for me, Taurus. It seems somebody was looking forward to a kind of a relationship, a long-term, healthy relationship, but that didn't work out. Person A has decided to be now independent, single, and allow the tower to fall if it has to after some secrets have come out in the open. Person A is now making a decision regarding something. Person B feels the sunshine of the light has gone, things have stagnated. If they were playing a power game or trying to manipulate somebody, it's person B feels I lost in the end because I think they're feeling somebody dropped them. And now they feel things have really come to an end and they're getting some very bad karma. They're feeling judgment is against them. Okay? So let's take some dialogue messages cards, Taurus, before we begin, and then we'll see what your mutual energies say. So, Taurus and their person, spirit. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person now. What would they like to say to each other if they could? Their innermost feelings. Let's take a couple more from here. Let's take one more. All right, done. This one really flipped, so that's going to be the first one I'm going to take. Okay, so Taurus, your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. So, yes, somebody was not consistent, they created drama, and the other person has absolutely no trust on their partner anymore, nor do their family or friends. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. Now, is that regret, Taurus? Because one partner has decided it's not going to work out? My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a baby with me? So I think person A really wanted to have a family, have a committed relationship, but I don't think that worked out because things kind of, a beautiful connection here is now kind of spoiled, right? That's the reason person A is now thinking it's better to be single, and available to new suitors maybe, and concentrate on my own happiness. Next card. I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. Because person A has now, I think, made that decision to reject person B. I think this is person B saying that I can't take it. And unhealthy and addictive behaviors. So it's very, very important to have a healthy relationship or work towards a healthy emotional partnership here. Next card. I get so triggered. Now look at the triggering happening here. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for? And that is maybe the reason I think person A finally made the decision and said, it's all right, if you can't make a decision, I will. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. So I think that's person B telling person A, because I don't think person A is interested now. They've already made a decision here, which person B feels it's the wrong decision, and I've been wrongly judged here, apparently. But they do understand that things have kind of stalled here. So let's start interpreting the cards, Taurus. What is the Four of Wands for person A? Did I say that to the newbies? This is, for me, this is person A, this is person B. You decide which side you're on, okay? So, Four of Wands for person A, Spirit. Four of Wands. Yes, person A was looking for a partner, a real partner. The person who, this is what person A was looking for. Stability, growth, home, a partner who was grounded, who was spouse material, okay? Somebody who would actually be there as a one-on-one partner, who would be stable, not immature, would hold their hand forever, basically. But whatever truth came out, I think, about the person they were dealing with, they became clear on the fact that this is not going to work out. Some kind of a halt came after some truths were revealed, and this kind of spoiled a beautiful relationship. This could have been a soulmate connection, but not all soulmates are there for the long haul, Taurus. Some just come for a reason, season, lifetime. Some just come to teach you a lesson. So whatever this friendship, partnership, you guys could have known each other for a long time. Whatever happened here, I think one person decided, now that I know the truth that this person is never going to offer me what I want and is behaving in a manner which is actually disrupting our beautiful relationship, I think I would rather put a kind of a stoppage to this Wheel of Fortune, right? So things are stuck now between this partnership. It's no longer flowing effortlessly in a healthy way, the way person A really wanted them to. So I think person A is now in the Nine of Pentacles energy and no longer fighting for the connection anymore, letting it go if it has to, let the tower fall if it has to. I'm not going to fight for it. I would rather concentrate on myself and my own abundance and my own happiness here. After all this, these secrets have come out. Okay, let's take Nine of Pentacles first. Yes, this person is into self-love now. I think this is the feminine energy, this side, on person A's side. They've decided I'd rather spend my time leading a healthy life for myself, okay? By taking care of myself, of healing myself, all the love that I've been wasting, hoping for another to come and give me, I'd rather give it to myself. Close this cup of love which I've been pouring to the other person and save it all for myself and start nurturing myself to become a better version of me for myself. No longer fighting for this connection and allowing things to fall if they have to. They're realizing there was no foundation to this relationship and that's why it fell, right? They've understood that this was not a healthy connection to have. So what did they find out, Spirit, with the Moon card in reverse? What did they find out with the Moon card in reverse? Person A felt that even though they had a lot of love for person B, each time I think they ended up just feeling abandoned and left out in the cold. This became a little overburdening for person A to bear. How many times, with all the love in my heart, I come towards you and I end up feeling in lack. I never feel fulfilled. My cup is never filled. And this is putting a big burden on me. I can't deal with this anymore. So once this realization happened, the Moon card in reverse, right? When all this truth was revealed to person A, whether it was through their spiritual knowledge, whether they used their own intuition, maybe however they found out this realization that this was not a healthy relationship, I think person A made a decision, a firm decision. And what was this decision, Spirit? What was this decision that person A made? What's this decision? The decision person A made to kind of bring a halt to this relationship. See this horse not moving at all, not even 1 foot in front of the other. So just stopping progress with a person who they feel was emotionally draining and emotionally manipulative towards them. They made a decision to get out of a very stuck energy or a stuck relationship. So that's a decision made consciously by person A, that I am stopping this. I will no longer be manipulated, no longer be stressed about somebody playing games with me or not showing me love or emotion, and I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm no longer going to stay here and wait forever. I reserve all my love, attention and care now for myself. Let's see person B. Yes, person A is definitely looking for a new beginning here. All right, so person B. Person B has the Sun card in reverse because the Knight of Pentacles is in reverse. They feel, oh my God, things have really halted. They are a bit upset and angry actually that their partner has walked away. They feel, oh, all the sunshine in their life has left them because somebody has walked away from their life or is walking away from their life, and this is making them mad. They're getting really upset and really angry because things have kind of halted for them in their life. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit? They feel somebody dropped them here. They feel somebody just dropped the ball on them and has ended a connection with them. That's the reason person A is very, very, very angry. They feel that they were the ones who were playing mind games, and eventually they feel that they are the ones who are feeling like a loser now because somebody else, their partner, has actually dropped them. Maybe they were trying to juggle their partner, they were trying to play these mind games, but they are fuming right now because instead of them playing the games, they feel they got played. And they are the ones who are the loser because they are the ones who are getting dropped now. So, Five of Swords, Spirit? Five of Swords. Yes, somebody is, they feel somebody has made a decision. They are no longer confused. They have made a decision. They feel their feminine has made a decision that this is my choice, that I no longer want to deal with you and I'm off for a creative new beginning. I found my self-worth. I found my self-confidence. I am valuable and I can get anyone I want, right? So that's my decision to drop you because you no longer work for me. So, Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Yes, they know that their partner is now holding back from them and no longer interested in continuing anything with them anymore. The person B is feeling totally devastated. It's like more than over. They know there is no recovery after such a big. They feel they've had bad luck or bad karma, or they are getting punished for their bad deeds here. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Ten of Swords. This person is feeling rather powerless at the moment. They feel they've lost their power. They can't control person A anymore. They have a fear of letting go of person A right now. They are fearing how things are changing. They don't like change. They hate change. They want things to be the way they were, where they were in control, they were in power. They could dictate this relationship the way, they wanted it. But this ending, which has come out of person A's side, where person A has suddenly realized that, hey, I am powerful too. I am worth love as well. And I'm no longer going to accept the bullshit that you're giving me. Now this person is feeling powerless because they are fearing this change that's coming into their life with this partnership getting over. Judgment in reverse, Spirit. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Person B feels they are getting their karma. They are still hoping somewhere to delay this change now because this doesn't make them happy at all. They know that their partner has totally switched off from them or maybe is not talking to them. Heart of hearts, they realize what they did. Okay, they had a good thing and maybe they let it go. What's this Ten of Cups, Spirit, for person B? What's this? They know now that their partner will no longer accept them and all the happiness and joy, that's all gone. And now they're sitting in this regret, sorrow, rejection, dejection energy to say it was all there for me and I let it go. So I think person B is really dealing with that karma now, whereas person A has made a decision to have a new beginning. So let's see what your mutual energies are. Knight of Cups, okay, Four of Cups and the Page of Cups. I think new love is on the way here, Taurus. If you are on person A's side, the worst is already over and I don't think you'll be accepting any apologies or any sorries from the past, it seems. Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Yes, somebody is moving on from a very difficult relationship maybe to a calmer one now, moving towards their happiness, moving towards maybe fresh new love, waiting for it, looking for it, or accepting new offers. Four of Cups. Four of Cups here. Four of Cups. Yes, I think whoever's on person A's side, they have turned their back big time on person B and no longer now looking back in regret or sorrow or even wishing for the past anymore. The worst is already over. I think this is a karmic lesson well learnt and somebody here is on their way to a beautiful new beginning here. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Person B is still waiting and watching. They know they probably don't have the words now to even apologize. They now see person B as a perfect soulmate that came into their life, but now they're not happy because I think they've lost their chance. But they're still watching, they're still looking at person A. They are afraid to come forward with an apology or a sorry because they feel, yes, justice has been served to them. They have got what they deserved at the moment. Okay, so somebody is going off for a fresh new beginning where the other person is now feeling ashamed and embarrassed. So that's what I have for you, Taurus. I hope it worked. Let me know, and till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.